Bitcoin just plunged below 108K as whale trader James Wynn closed a massive $1.2 billion position with a $13 million loss. But wait, while Bitcoin retreats, two sectors are exploding with 25% gains in just 24 hours. This is your Crypto Pulse Flash Update. Let's dive in. Hey, Crypto fam. Alex here from Moonward Capital with your urgent 6-minute market update. If we haven't met, we deliver actionable crypto intelligence twice daily, so you're never caught off guard by market moves like we're seeing right now. The crypto landscape is showing some fascinating divergence today. Bitcoin has pulled back to 107,396, down 1.4%, while Ethereum has dipped slightly more at nearly 2%. But the real story is happening beneath the surface. Let's get right to the biggest development. High-profile trader James Wynn just closed his entire $1.2 billion Bitcoin position in just 47 minutes, taking a $13.4 million loss in the process. This massive position closure has sent ripples through the market and potentially signals a short-term top. But here's where it gets really interesting. While the major assets retreat, two sectors are absolutely soaring. The data sector is up an impressive 16.5% in just 24 hours, and social fi tokens are up a staggering 25% in the same period. This dramatic sector rotation shows institutional money flowing toward infrastructure and utility tokens with sustainable revenue models, a sign of market maturity amid uncertainty. The standout performer today is Hyperliquid's HYPE token, reaching $38.05, up nearly 11% while everything else retreats. Trading volume has hit a record $1.2 billion, with the platform's autonomous buyback mechanism purchasing $858 million worth of HYPE over the past 7 months. This innovative tokenomics model has generated $548 million in profits from market operations. Meanwhile, the SUI ecosystem continues working to recover from the devastating CETUS protocol hack. The good news is that SUI Foundation has frozen $162 million of the stolen funds, with CETUS now restoring its aggregator services. They're offering a $6 million bounty for the return of the remaining assets, and a critical validator vote is scheduled for May 26th that could determine the future of the ecosystem. The derivatives market is telling us an important story right now. BTC funding rates remain positive at plunged 1072, indicating the market still leans bullish despite today's pullback. Open interest stands at nearly $60 billion, showing significant capital remains engaged in the market. Let's step back for the macro view. Bitcoin dominance remains strong at 64.7%, with overall market cap holding steady at $3.12 trillion. Most importantly, the Fear and Greed Index stands at 65.58, still in greed territory despite today's pullback. So what does this all mean for your portfolio? First, the removal of James Wynn's massive position eliminates the 105K liquidation risk that had been creating market pressure. This could actually allow for more organic price discovery moving forward. Second, this sector rotation toward data and social fi is not random. It's a direct response to infrastructure needs highlighted by the recent X platform outages acknowledged by Elon Musk himself. Finally, keep a close eye on the SUI ecosystem's recovery efforts. The validator vote on May 26th could determine whether the $162 million in frozen funds is returned to users. As we head into the Memorial Day weekend, watch for Bitcoin's defense of the 105K support level. Consider how sector-specific strength in data and social fi might continue regardless of broader market movements. I'd love to know, are you repositioning your portfolio toward these outperforming sectors, or are you waiting for clearer signals? Drop your thoughts in the comments. If you found this update valuable, hit that subscribe button and notification bell to catch our twice-daily market intelligence. This is Alex from Moonward Capital, always keeping you ahead of the crowd. See you in 12 hours with our next update.